Here I've got the Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X professional headphones. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I haven't opened this one just yet. Now the tape is going to be this orange section here. I've just got a little Phillips flathead screwdriver. These little flats here. Nice. Okay. Wow, those feel soft. It's kind of like a microfiber feeling right there. Very cool to the touch. A lot different than I was expecting. I've got a pair of the older Beyerdynamic DT750s, I believe. That feels good. Let's continue with the unboxing here, and we'll get back to those. Noticing there's not a cable plugged in, so I'm hoping that's maybe in the box as well. All right, it's got a how to connect the cable kind of instructions here. I thought this pamphlet just unfolds. Looks pretty straightforward. It is a lockable connecting cable, 3-pin mini XLR cable connector at the end, and so forth. Okay, so how to change the headphone. It's got stuff about changing the headband if you'd like to. All that is great. Let's see if I can continue opening this. Okay, it says pull. I am pulling. I'm not sure I did that the right way. So, oh, okay. So this whole thing's meant to come out, and we've got an open tab. Okay, great. There's a nice little carrying case for your headphones. It feels very soft, luxurious. There is our cable. It appears it might have an extra. What's going on here? Okay. Let's see, we got two of them. There's an orange and a blue. I'm kind of curious which one is for which. Does it go into both? Yeah, there's only one plug on the headphones, so I'm curious. The orange and blue, does that mean it is a backup? They've got a sticker. Let me see if I can read this. No, Beyerdynamic. Interesting. Okay, so there's two of them there. I'll need to figure out why. So go back and read the instructions when I keep going through these. Okay, I think that's it. So we've got our carrying case. Go back to these instructions and see what's going on with the orange and blue. Okay, it says supplied accessories. We have one straight cable that's 3 meters. The other one is a straight cable that's 1.8 meters. Okay, so we've got a long cable and a short cable. That's pretty great. Looks like the orange one might be the longer one, and then the blue one is shorter. So I can take this one here and just for fun, go ahead and plug it in. See what we're working with here. I'm gonna line up the 3 pins. Make sure it's locked in place. That feels good. And then I'm gonna take these and let's see, is there a left and right going on here? Okay, so there's the headphones. Not much of a model, but here's the results. Feels very tight. Feels tight on the head. Can extend each of these, I'm sure. Yep. So it kind of clicks into place. You can extend the band out. See how that does. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Yep. Yeah, so you're gonna want to loosen it up if you have a big head like I do. And then of course you can plug these into your system. Can't wait to try them out, but that is the unboxing. That's what you get with the Beyerdynamic. These are the DT900 Pro X headphones.